Can I see?
Oh, keep going, Jonathan. I didn't turn it on until just now.
Well,
You've been spinning a lot, haven't you? Just like that guy? Is he doing anything other than spinning? There we go. Good job! That's awesome! That's hard to do. Do you think you can?
that's at the park.
You want to do it too, Olivia? Do you want to spin?
You can,
Good job, Jonathan. Good job.